What if I told you this is the school you have actually been waiting for? God's Care Day and Boarding School. The school is located around Bujuku-Mitiana Road. It offers a supportive and inclusive environment for students to thrive and grow. The school also focuses on spiritual growth and academic excellence. The school has a center number. The school also offers both day and boarding sections for students. Then the other thing is that students don't carry mattresses to school, so wabanga ugenatandika okusoma, you don't need to go with a mattress at school. So abeetazeeko sooka kubirako ku namba wammaako 0704206224. Namba yawe eyokubiri eri 07055320032 endala eri 0774470042. Yes, God's Care Day and Primary School. Yeah, I think it's an option you can give in for your child to have a better education. Thank you so much.